Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert page or slide numbers on your Microsoft PowerPoint project. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by left clicking on the Insert tab up at the top one time, and now you want to go ahead and left click. If you go further over here, further to the right, you want to go above the text section here and you want to select slide number. So left click on that. If you're using an older version of PowerPoint, there might be a little icon here. You're just going to have to hover over it and it should say slide number when you do. So when I left click on slide number here, if you want to include it on the slide itself, you can just select date and time. If you just want to do a slide number, check mark beside slide number box right here. Pretty straightforward, and once you're done doing that, left click on either apply to this particular slide or apply to all the slides. So I'm going to select apply to all, and there you go guys, you have slide numbers on the bottom of your slides now. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.